Hello everyone, in this video we will learn how to hide pivot table source data in Excel. So let's start. This is my Excel and here you can see I have data. So here I'm going to first create pivot table. To create pivot table, simply select the inside the cell of this data and you can press here the Ctrl A to select the entire data. Then go to the Insert tab. In Tables group, click on the Pivot Table option and click on the From Table or Range option. And here you can see the one dialog box is open. In Pivot Table, From Table or Range, select a table range. So the range here automatically selected. Then second option, choose where you want the pivot table to be placed. Select here New Worksheet and click on OK. And here you can see the new sheet is added with the Pivot Table fields with the Pivot Table Analyze tab and Design tab. So drag the fields below the area to create the pivot table. I just drag the date in filters, product in rows, and you can see rows is added, product is added here, and total price in values. Okay, so my pivot table is ready. Now I'm going to hide the pivot table source data. So this is the source data. Normally, you can easily hide this source data. Simply right click on the sheet name. Okay, simply right click on it and click on the hide. Okay, so data is hide, only pivot table showing. Okay, only pivot table here is visible and the source data is hide. But anyone can unhide easily. Simply right click on the sheet name of the pivot table and click on the unhide. And here the unhide dialog box is open and sheet number 1 is selected and click on OK. The data is unhide. Okay. If you want to stop others from unhiding the data, just go to the review tab. Before that, again right click on the mouse and click on the hide. Now go to the review tab. In protect group, click on the protect workbook and enter the password. I just enter here normally 123 and click on OK. 123 and click on OK. That's it. Your workbook is protected. Now hidden sheet cannot be easily unhidden without the password. If you want to check, right click on the sheet and here you can see your unhide option is invisible. So no one is unhide your source data. So this is so helpful to hide your source data. And here, if you want to unhide, again, you just go to the review tab and click on the protect workbook and enter the password those you set here, unprotect workbook. Okay. Enter the password. So I enter here 123 and click on OK. Now right click on the sheet name and here you can see the unhide option. Click on the unhide and select the sheet number 1, click on OK, and that's it. So this is the way you can hide the pivot table source data in Excel. So it's so helpful. If you like this video, please subscribe. Thank you so much.